Hello guys, I just wanna share my beauty routine guys. Yung una kong ginagamit guys ay ang Anwa Oil Cleanser Heart Leaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil to melt away the dirt of your skin, and you can also use as a makeup remover guys. Tapos hindi siya mahapdi sa mata guys. Maganda siyang gamitin. And then, ang second kong ginagamit ay ang Anwa Foam Cleanser. Ito yung #1 seller guys sa Amazon. It remove pores and blackheads guys and moisture your skin. Mga 1 month na akong gumagamit nitong Anwa product guys. Paubos na nga yung toner ko guys na 77%. Na yung pink, yan guys. Pink siya. Paubos na siya guys. Kasi mga more than 1 month na akong ginagamit nito. Nakapag ano siya ng skin, smooth, moisture, and glow. 80% of fermented peach matured of 120 hours bago matanggal yung toner sa skin nyo guys. And then yung final na ginagamit ko guys ay ang Anwa 10 plus niacinamide plus serum for dark spots and skin texture. It calms your skin and give your skin glow all day long and all day night. Thank you for watching.